Hey everybody, Josh Erdman from AmericanBedBugHeaterRentals.com. Today we're going to talk about what is the best do-it-yourself option for killing and eliminating bed bugs in your home. So there's a lot of options out there. If you go on the internet, you're going to find all sorts of stuff. Big ones are going to be steaming and vacuuming, chemical use, and then heat. So obviously, steaming and vacuuming doesn't work that great because it's really hard to get that steam and heat in all the right places. It's easy to miss the bugs, it's even easier to miss the eggs, so that's not really a great option. The second, and probably the most common, is chemical. I've talked about this before. There's different types of chemicals. The biggest takeaways from them are they're not really designed to kill them. Most of them are actually repellent based. Also, the life cycle of the eggs is longer than most of the chemicals hold up. So again, you can't really control their life cycle, which makes it difficult. And then the other problem with the chemical actually is that you can spread them to multiple rooms very, very easily. So chemical is not a great do-it-yourself option. In my opinion, heat is really the absolute best way to get rid of bed bugs. It's very simple, it's clean, and it's quick. You can generally get rid of your bed bugs in less than 24 hours. And with our program here at AmericanBedBugHeaterRentals.com, you can go on our site, you can select the packages, you can watch the videos on how to set it up. They're extremely easy to use. I mean, if you can plug in a cord, you can heat treat your house or a single room. So heat's great because when you put it into a room, you essentially turn that room into an oven. As that heat rises, it begins to stack and force the heat down. Right down to ground level, it'll penetrate carpet and padding, mattresses, beds, box springs. The heat will just get in everywhere. Heat's not a race, it's all about letting the heat do the work. It gets into all those places where the eggs are and all the places the adults may be trying to get to. So heat is definitely the best do-it-yourself option out there. If you have questions or you want to learn more, you can check us out at AmericanBedBugHeaterRentals.com.